In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install WinRAR. I'm starting this video from a GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I will begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with the installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the WinRAR download page. Here I will click on WinRAR English 64-bit installer, and the download should start for me. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template. And I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package, so I will click on it, then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and then I will go to my downloads folder. And currently here I have my installation file and also the template NuGet package. I will open the NuGet package. It opens up with NuGet Package Explorer, and because I will be packaging the installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on Tools, then I will select Add Existing File, and I will select the installation file that I have in my Downloads folder. And as you can see, the installation file appeared here in the package. Now I'll double click on Chocolatey Install and on this Edit button. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet that will be responsible for executing the installation from the package. Basically, it finds the installation file inside of the package, it executes the installation, and after that, it removes the installation file from the computer. So to copy this snippet, I will click on the button right here, and then I will go back to my package and insert it here. And for it to work, we need to provide a few values. For example, here I need to provide my installation file name, and for that, I will go back to my downloads folder. I will right click on the installation file, select rename, then I will select full name to include the extension, right click again, and I will copy the name. Then I will go back to my package and insert the value here. For the package name, I will enter WinRAR. Then for the file type, I will enter exe because the installation file that I'm using has the .exe extension. And also we need to provide silent switches because we want Chocolatey to execute the installation silently. And for that, once again, I will go back to my GitHub page, and here I have the silent switch that I will be using. So I will click on the button right here to copy the value, go back to my package and insert the value here. And that's it for modifying this snippet. Now we can save it and let's go back to the package. And now I need to provide a few bits of information about the package here. So I will click on this edit button. For package ID, I will enter WinRAR. For the package version, I will enter 6.24. And I can see the version number here on the installation file name. For the authors, I will leave it at Let's Do Automation. And for the description, I will enter WinRAR Chocolatey package. And that's all the mandatory fields that we need to enter. Now we can save the information by clicking on the Save button. And now we need to save the package itself. And for that, I will go to File, Save As, and I will save it in my Downloads folder. I will also use my Downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository when I will try to install this package. So let's save it, and now let's try to install it. And for that, I will open my terminal application, and I will run it as administrator because we need administrative privileges to install software. And here I will enter choco install. Then I need to provide my package ID that you can see in the NuGet Package Explorer here. So it's WinRAR, and because I'm using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to enter -s and also provide the Chocolatey repository location. In my case, it's my D drive and downloads folder. And I will also add -y, and let's press enter and let's see what's going to happen. And the package was successfully installed. If I go to my start menu, I can see WinRAR in my recently added program list. If I click on it, it seems to be working just fine. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.